Let's go here, stimulus. Let's start in 3 megahertz. Stop at, whoops, at 30 megahertz. So we got it. Now this is also a tutorial how to calibrate nano VNA, right? So let's reset. Let's go calibrate, open. The open one is this that doesn't have the pin in the middle. It's going to be hard to show. You see, one have the pin in the middle, the other one is doesn't have anything, which is the open, and this is the load. Right, so we just wanna use this port for ham radio, right? So let's place the open. Okay, right, open is done. Now it's asking for the short, the one that has the pin. Now it's asking for the load. And we're done. Save at position 0. Okay, should be calibrated. Fine. So let's start. This antenna here. Is a random wire. It's 28.5 foot in the radiator and 17 feet in the counterpoise. I saw this antenna at the K4SWL. I have this antenna in with a speaker wire, and I liked it so much that I also did with this, right? It's easier to carry. So let's see, 5 megahertz. Yeah, pretty. Just okay, just let me make sure that the camera is getting the yeah, not yeah, 20 meters, not cool, right? Wow, it's a 11 meters antenna. Okay, not happy with the SWR here in the 20 and the let me see the other. Yeah. Yeah, so I was told this this thing tunes everything, so let's put it to the test. One good way to measure the noise is AM, right? You put into operate, and then you find the highest noise level. Yeah, which is around here. Then you switch to tune, right? We just make sure that it's not okay. So let's see. Okay, did. Let's turn to operate. Yeah, it did tune the antenna. Let me do a test that actually matters. One second. So I did the tuning again. I made sure that this frequency is not busy. So 40 actually worked. Pretty nice. So it's operate. Yeah, it's actually good. So let's see. I made sure it's clear. I'm just going to so 1.5. Okay, that's good. Okay, so just for the recording on 20, it will not tune. No way. I tried. You see, it's even 500 picofards. It won't tune. But I don't know if you remember. It was like what was it? 60, right? So let's do this in live here. 60 SWR, so pretty hard, right? We managed to tune 10 megahertz. Right, and 7 megahertz. Okay, it's good. So it did tune 17. This is the best I could get. I tried the other things, the 250 and 500. So let's see. Yeah, it did. See? So let's change the mode. Yeah, this one is, whoops. It's hard to see, but I hope you can see. It's yeah, it's fine. It did tune. Operate. Yeah, it's good. 18 meters, it's good. Sorry, I said 18 meters, 18 megahertz. It did tune. Why it didn't on the other one, on 20? Maybe I didn't try enough. See? Okay, so let's move. Okay, on 15, looks like it did. It's hard, I don't know. Looks like there is an angle to look at it, so let's see. Yeah, 1.2, something like that. Yeah. Yeah, worked fine. 15 meters, it's fine. So let's, for the science, I've been doing this. I didn't do for 40, but so let's see. I don't remember. I remembered for 40 meters, but I don't remember now. 21 megahertz, 15 meters. So yeah, it did tune, so fine, it's a win. So I could get it tuned on 12 meters, but it's hard. It's going 2.0, 1.8. Let's see for the science. What is the SWR of this antenna without the tuner on 20 meters, because I remember it was not too bad. Interesting. Adding some ground to the antenna. Yeah. 8. Seems good. 12 meters it did tune. So let's move to 10 meters. So on 10 meters this was the best that I could achieve. Yeah, I spent a lot of time here trying to tune, and not much success. Okay, so let's see the SWR without the tuner. 10, 11. Yeah, I think it's because of the frequency. It is too high for the toroid. I don't know, I suspect. If you know why this happens, let me know. So in 80 meters, I shouldn't expect this antenna to be able to work on 80. See, 2.2 SWR. This was the maximum that I could achieve with the tuner. So 80 meters, maybe if I used a bigger length of wire, but in this length, not possible. Okay, on 40, I could tune the antenna. Okay, it's good. On 30, I did tune the antenna. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, on 20, it did work, but I think this is the best I could get on 20. But it works. Let's move on to the next. So it did work on 17. Uh, 1.4, 1.5. It's good. Let's move to the 15. On 15 meters, worked. It tuned the antenna. 1.3, 1.4, something like that. Yeah. This is the best result I could get on 12 meters. And 10 meters, 1.3. It's good. So overall, I could tune the antenna on most of the bands. It did work. The tuner is good. Yes, it's a cheap one, and you have to like take your time to look at the LED, and actually sometimes it takes a pretty long time for you to find the tuning, but it does work for the price. It's good. It's a good kit for you to build. I like it. Maybe this would make the changing this cable here for RG58, just like this one, would be better. But overall, it did work. I'm kind of tired of testing this one with this antenna. I can work all the pretty much all the bands. but this one is pretty resonant on 40. It's also resonant on 20 with 1.7. But if I put this antenna, I can work most of the bands. It's actually better to bring this one. This one is cut for 40 meters than the other one.